Window tinting is not an easy job, and it's not something that we wanted to do. But the difficulty we had was that you can't put the kitchen in because it comes above the windows and the bus is not registered. So we couldn't take it to a window tinter, and having someone come and do it for 2 or 3 days on and off just wasn't going to work. So we figured out how to do it. What we found was that despite cleaning the windows inside and out with a scraper and with knives and things like that, that even when it was clean, you can still get bubbling. And what it is, it's not actually specks of dirt. It's actually the film of water that seems to sit behind the tinting. So you really have to be thorough. And for that reason, I simply can't see them with my eyes. Too old. So I got my son to come in, and he's been pretty good at it actually, and they're coming up really nicely, as you'll see.